Hey everyone, this is Gene Hackers with the BUILDERALL team. And in this video, I'm going to show you how mirror websites work and how to set them up. But before we get started, I want you to know that for mirror websites to actually work, you need to have your website connected to an actual domain. And now it can be a regular domain or it can be a subdomain. As long as it's connected to a domain, your mirror website should work. Now to understand mirror websites, let's go into our website right here. Let's click on Edit Site. Let's edit page. And here, as you can see, we have a very simple page, but with a few things added. Now for this scenario, we're going to show a replay of a webinar that we had, but we want our name to be displayed here, or maybe one of our team members or a client that we want to share this website with. So to make that happen, we need to add a tag. Now this tag, the way that we acquired this tag is by going to the top right here, where it says insert tag. So I'm going to delete this. And now click on insert tag. And we have two options, BUILDERALL tags and smart tags. We want to click on smart tags and choose any of the tags below. Now these tags are basically placeholders. Just because it says here pre-headline does not mean that the tag has to be a pre-headline text. And I'll show you what I mean later on. So let's select pre-headline. Scroll down, select, and now we have pre-headline. The next tags that we added is the same thing right here on the button. So let's right click to edit the button. Click on headline. And as you can see under headline, we have get started with, and we manually inputted the tag as this is a text field where you have to actually type. Now the last step, when this button is clicked, we don't want it just to go to any link. We want it to go to a tag. So here we go down to where it says tags. And then we have the options again of smart tags and BUILDERALL tags. So you want to click on smart tags, and we're going to select business name and then select. Now let's save. So now our template for our mirror website is done and created. Now we need to actually activate and create a site with this template mirror site. So let's go back home. Click home again. And now before we get our mirror website set up, we need to set the actual tags that we added to this mirror website template. So let's click on create tag group, create group. Let's give it a name, press save. And now let's edit. So as you saw before, I said that the pre-headline is just a placeholder. You can add anything here, whether it be text, which for us is a name, or an actual link, which for our example, the business name is an actual click of a button. So we needed to go to a website, and that's it. All these right here, these are all blank. You do see text here, but these are just example text. Once you hover over and start typing, it goes away. So let's delete this and let's press save. Now let's go back to our Cheetah builder. And now to get a mirror website link, we need to click on the three dotted lines right here. We want to click on manage public link. And then we want to enable mirror. And now let's copy link. Now let's put here in our browser the link that we copied, and let's press paste. And now, as I said before, for this to work, you need to have your website connected to a domain. So let's connect the domain. After you've selected the domain that you want to connect to, click on groups and select the new tag group that you created, which in our case is Team Webinar. And then click Connect Domain. Now this part, it takes a little bit, so we're going to pause and fast forward when it's connected. Okay, after it's connected, it'll bring you back to this website. You want to click on Mirror Websites. If you clicked on Connect Website twice, like I did, because you maybe thought it didn't go through, it just takes a few minutes, like I said. But after it's connected, All you have to do is delete which one you don't want. They're both the same thing, so it goes to the same website. But just for viewing purposes, I wouldn't like to have two. So let's just delete one. And to do that, click on the three dots and click on disconnect domain. And that will disconnect it and it will disappear. So now we can see if we click on the actual link, it takes us to our website. And as you can see, that pre-headline gets replaced with Emily. Same thing as over here. And when we click on the get started button, it takes us to builderall.com, which is the link that we added on the tag group. And now what's great about this is that you can share this with clients and team members that might want to have a replicated website just like yours, but just with some of their information like their name and their links, and so that they don't have to do any editing, or if you do any updates to your website, the updates will be changed to their websites as well. And for them to make sure that their website is up to date, they can do that by clicking on the three dots and update cache. And that will update any changes that you have done to your previous website, and it'll add it to their website. All right, I hope this was helpful. And once again, my name is Gene Hankes with the BuilderAll team.